Now let us start our exercise 2.3.
Let us start our exercise number 2.3. Solve the following equations and check your result. Now dear student, before starting this exercise, I want to tell you that till now whatever sum we did in our previous exercise, in those sum we used to have only one variable in any one side. Either it is on the left hand side or the right hand side of the equation. But the sum which we are going to do now, we used to have more than one variable, that is two variable, and on the both side of equation. See, we have two variable, one on the left and another on the right. In all the sum we will have such kind of variable. Now let us start how to do. First question is 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Same rule we will apply, that is transposition of variable. Now see, try to keep 3x as it is and try to bring 2x toward your left hand side. So positive 2x will become negative 2x and positive 18 left on your right hand side, write down as it is. In bracket you have to write transposing 2x to LHS. Now do simple subtraction. 3x minus 2x give x and value of x is 18. Whatever is left we got 18. And dear student, here they had asked you to check your result also. How to check? We just need to substitute this value of x in place of here. That is the value of x, that is 18. You have to substitute value of x with 18. So let us check both the side of equation. First we will try to check our left hand side. Left hand side. What is given on your left? That is 3x. So try to substitute this value of x. That is 18 we got. 18 3s are 8 3s are 24. 2 carry 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. On our left hand side we got value 54. Now let us see whether on our right hand side also we will get 54 or not. Let us see whether we are getting right 54 or not. That is 2x plus 18. Now in place of x what you will write? 18. 18 2s are 36 plus 18. So 36 plus 18 gives 54. So dear student, our both side we got value 54. So write down over here LHS equals to RHS. We verified this condition. Now let us see another sum. Now dear student, in the question it is given that 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. Here either you can bring your value of 3t on your left or you can take this 5t on your right. What I will do, I will try to bring this smaller value on your left hand side. So write down 5t as it is. Try to transpose this value over here. And what I will do, here negative 5 is there. I will try to transpose this negative 3 on your right hand side. Try to bring variable on either side, either on left or right, and try to bring constant term on either side, either on right or left. So what I will do, I had transposed this 3t on left hand side, put equal sign, whatever value on your right hand side, that is negative t is left, negative 5 is left. And what I will do, I will transpose this negative 3 on your right. The negative value will become positive. Now what I did, I brought 3t on left hand side and 3 on right hand side. So statement, I will write it over here. Transposing. Yes student, you can do such transposing separately also. In first step you just bring 3t on your left, then in second step you can bring negative 3 on your right. Transposing, here I had done both the transposition in one step. Transposing 3t to LHS and -3 to RHS. Now dear student, subtract the value. 5t minus 3t gives 2t. -5 plus +3. Minus plus always minus. Sign of greater. -5 is greater than 2. The value will be. Now dear student, as I told you, always try to eliminate the value whatever with variable. Here 2 is there. I need to cancel this 2. So what I will do? I will divide this 2t by 2. So that this 2 will get cancelled. Whatever value I have taken over here on left hand side, same value I will take on right hand side. So that what will happen? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So here t is left. 2 1s are -2 is there. Your value will be -1. Now what you will write over here in statement? Dividing both the sides by 2. Now here value of t I got, that is the value of variable I got -1. So what I will do now, I need to check whether my both sides are equal or not. Now first I will check my LHS, left hand side, that is 5t minus 3. Now in place of t, I will substitute the value of t with -1. Now -5 into -1. Negative into positive will always negative. The 5 ones are 5, that is -5. And -3 is the value of both. Minus minus always plus. -5 and -3 gives -8. So dear student, on my left hand side I got -8. Now let us check the value in right hand side, whether you will get same value or not. Let us check. 3t minus 5. You have to substitute the value of t with -1. Now how much you are getting? 3 into -1 gives -3 only. Here also you get the same value, that is -3, and -5 gives -8 only. So your left hand side is equals to right hand side, or you can write down whole condition whatever is given over here. Number third, that is, see what is given, 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. Now same method, that is 5x, try to bring the smaller value toward larger. So transpose this 3x toward your left hand side, and whatever value left, write down as it is, and transpose this 9 toward your right. So this positive will become negative. Write down step over here. Transposing 3x to LHS and 9 to RHS. By doing such, now do subtraction. 5x minus 3x gives 2x. Now 5 minus 9. Here the value of 9 is greater than 5 and it is in negative. So your value will be in negative. Now dear student, as I told you, always try to eliminate this value, whatever value, with variable. So here 2 is there with variable. So I need to reduce, I need to cancel this 2. So I need to divide this value by 2 so that this value will get cancelled. Whatever value I have taken over here on LHS, same value you have to take on your right. And what to write? Dividing both the sides by 2. By doing such, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Value of x I got 2 2s are 4. That is -2 I am getting over here. Now our next step, to check the value. To check whether they are equal or not. Check your left hand side first. That is 5x plus 9. Now in place of x, substitute this value with -2. In place of x, you have to write -2. 2 5s are 10. Positive into negative, always negative. 2 5s are 10. Minus 10 plus 9, dear student. Minus plus, always minus, and sign of greater. So minus 10 plus 9 gives -1. Now right hand side. Right hand side, that is 5 plus 3x. Substitute value of x with negative 2. Negative 2. 2 3 is the 6. That is negative 6. 5 minus 6. That is plus minus minus only. 5 minus 6 give negative 1. That means what? Our both the sides are equal. LHS equals to RHS. Now let us do sum number 4. That is 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. Dear student, this is a larger value with variable, same variable. So what I will do, I will try to bring the smaller variable toward larger. So therefore 4z, try to bring 2z toward your left hand side. 2z, the positive will become negative. Now write down 6 as it is. Now what I will do, 6 is greater and 3 is smaller, so try to transpose this 3 toward your right. The positive 3 will become negative 3. So write down statement over here, transposing, that is first positive 2z to LHS and 3 to RHS. By doing such, now do subtraction. 4z minus 2z gives 2z. 6 minus 3 is 3 only. Now dear student, here 2 is with variable and we need to find the value of the variable. I need to cancel this 2. So 2z should be divided by 2 so that 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Whatever value I am taking toward my left, same value you have to take toward your right. Now write down statement dividing both the sides by 2. Now by doing such, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. That is that. Here dear student, cancellation is not possible, so write down as it is, 3 by 2. Dear student, you need to check both the sides whether they are equal or not. So first let us find the value of LHS, that is 4z plus 3. Now substitute the value of z with 3 by 2. So write down 3 by 2 in place of z. Dear student, if cancellation is possible, you can cancel. If it is not possible, direct multiplication. Here it is possible. Here, how it is possible? See dear student. Open the bracket, so it will come in multiplication. Do cancellation, 2 2s are. Now 2 3s are 6 plus 3, you will get 9 toward your left hand side. Now check right hand side. That is 6 plus 2z. Write down 6 as it is. Value of z, that is 3 by 2. 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now what is left? 6 plus only 3 left. 9. See dear student, both the side you got value 9. So LHS is equals to RHS. Write down over here, LHS equals to RHS. Now let us move toward our next sum, sum number 5. Now 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. This one is greater. Common variable are x. Now transpose this negative x toward your left hand side. Now therefore, while bringing negative variable toward left, negative will become positive. So negative x will become positive x. And while transposing negative 1 toward your right, negative 1 will become positive 1. As I told you earlier, while transposing, you have to change the sign. Negative will become positive and positive will become negative. Now write down statement over here. Transposing negative x to LHS and negative 1 to RHS. Dear student, you can do such steps separately also, as I told you earlier. Now add it. you can write this statement aside also. Here space is not there, that is why I am writing below the equation only. Now 2x plus x gives 3x. 14 plus 1 gives 15. Now dear student, as I told you earlier, I need to cancel this 3, eliminate this 3. So what I will do? I will divide this 3x by 3 so that 3 and 3 will get cancelled. While dividing this value, whatever value I have taken toward my left, same value you have to take toward your right also. 3 and 3 cancel. Value x 3, 5 are cancel. If cancellation possible, you have to cancel. So value of x I am getting 5 over here. Now let us check your both this side whether they are equal or not. First check LHS, that is 2x minus 1. Substitute the value of x with 5. 2 5s are 10, minus 1 gives 9. Then check right hand side, that is 14 minus x, that is 14 minus value of x is 5 over here. So 14 minus 5 gives 9. So that means what? Your value of LHS is equals to RHS. Now let us see our sum number 6, that is 8x plus 4 equals to 3 in bracket x minus 1 plus 7. Dear student, first you have to resolve this bracket. Then you have to transpose. Write on this as it is. Now, how to resolve bracket? Just you need to multiply. 3 into x gives 3x. 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Then, here write on as it is. If addition is possible, add it. 7 minus 3 gives positive 4. Now, dear student, now you have to transpose. This is greater value. Transpose this 3x toward your left hand side. So, positive will become negative. Write on 4 as it is. Transpose this 4 toward your right hand side. Now write on statement over here. What to write? Transposing, that is 3x to LHS and 4 to RHS. Now subtract it. 8 minus 3 gives 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now dear student, as I told you, you need to eliminate this value. So you have to divide this value by 5. Whatever value I am taking toward my left, same value you have to take toward your right. 5 and 5 get cancelled. So value of x, 0 divide 5. Any numbers divided with 0 gives the same value. Here I am getting the value of x as 0. Now check your left hand side first. That is 8x plus 4. Value of x, we got 0 over here. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0 only. That is 0 plus 4 gives 4. Now check your right hand side. That is, right hand side is what? This. After resolving bracket, our right hand value is this. So write down 3x plus 4. Value of x, we got 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0 only. 0 plus 4 gives 4. So dear student, here also both the sides are equal. So write down over here LHS equals to RHS. Let us see sum number 7. X equals to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. Now confusion is 4 by 5 is given and bracket is given. First you need to resolve such bracket. When any such kind of sums asked in exam, the student get frightened or get annoyed that why such kind of sums asked in exam. Rather, such kind of sums are very easy to solve. See dear student, what I will do, the confusion, write on this thing as it is. Now here the confusion, either you multiply 4 with this x plus 10. What about this 5? So I need to eliminate this 5 first. So write down this 4 as it is, 4 by 5. Now very simple step to eliminate this 5, it is in division form as I told you earlier. To eliminate any value which is in division form, same value you need to multiply. Whatever value you are multiplying on one side, that is on right hand side, same value you have to multiply towards your left hand side. Now you have to write statement multiplying 5 on both the side, or you can write multiply both the side by 5. Now by doing such, 5 and 5 you can cancel it. Now 5 into x gives 5x. Now your multiplication become easier. 4 into x give 4x, and 4 tens are 40. Now dear student, your old step, that is transposing. Transpose your value of 4x toward your left. What is left? 40 left. Write down over here. Transposing 4x to LHS. By doing such, 5x minus 4x give x. So dear student, in this particular question, we got value of x as 40. Now we need to check the value, whether both sides are equal or not. Let us first check left hand side, which is only x, and value of x we got 40. So we need to get 40 toward our right hand side also. So write down right hand side over here. That is 4 by 5 x plus 10. Write down 4 by 5 as it is. Then eliminate this, then substitute this value of x with 40. 4 by 5. 40 plus 10 gives 50 on this bracket. Now you can cancel it if it is possible. 5 tens are, and 10 fours are 40. Both sides we got same value. So you can write over here LHS equals to RHS. Let us see sum number 8. That is 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now dear student, no need to get frightened. Very easy. You follow your step, you will get your answer. Now here also, what you need to do is, you just do transposition first. Now here 2x by 3 it is. Try to transpose this 7x by 15 toward your left, and constant term, that is 3 left, toward your right, and try to take this 1 toward your right so that it will become negative. Now write down statement over here. Transposing 7x by 15 to LHS and 1 to RHS. Now by doing so, now see, it's a bit easier now. Now you have to subtract this 7x from 2x, but before that you have to equalize that denominator. Without that you cannot do subtraction. So LCM of 3 and 15 you need to find. LCM of 3 and 15. Now let us do it over here. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are, so 3 fives are 15. So LCM of 3 and 15 is 15 only. Now 2x by 3. Now equalize the denominator. Now to get 15 over here, the 3 should be multiplied by 5. The same value you have to take in numerator. Write down 7x by 15. 15 should be multiplied by 1 to get 15. The same value you have to take in numerator. And whatever value left toward your right hand side, that is 3 minus 1 gives 2. Write it as it is. Now after doing such, 2 5s are 10, 10x, 3 5s are 15, 7x into 1 7x, and 15 ones are 50, and 2 left. Now here, now you can easily do subtraction. That is 10x minus 7x, 15 as common. Now 10 minus 7 gives 3x by 50. Now dear student, here with x, 3 is there and 3x is divided by 15. How you will get the value of x? Now I need to eliminate this 3 and 15 both. So what you will do, first write it as it is, 3x by 15. Now as I told you, if any number with x, if it is in multiple form, the same value you have to divide. If any value is in division form, the same value you have to multiply. So what I will do first, 15 is in division form, so I will multiply that value first, and 3 is in multiple form. I will divide that value by 3. Whatever value I have taken toward my left hand side, same value first write down 2 over here, and same value you have to take toward your right also, that is 15 by 3. Or you can do direct cross multiplication also. Directly you can take 15 over here and bring 3 over here. Now, so that 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and 15 and 15 will get cancelled, and here cancellation, here it is possible, 3 5s are and 2 5s are 10. Or if you want to do direct transposition, if you are taking 15 over here, keep x as it is and bring 3 down, 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. By doing such also you will get your value of x. Now we need to check both the side whether they are equal or not. Now let us check left hand side first, that is 2x by 3 plus 1. Now in place of x you need to write this value, substitute that value of x by 10, that is now multiply it 20 by 3. Now dear student, before adding you need to find the LCM of both, that is 1. Here nothing is there, the 1 you have to consider, and 1 should be multiplied. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3 only, the 1 should be multiplied by 3. Whatever value you are taking in denominator, same value you have to take in numerator, so that you can add the value. Now 3 ones are 3. Now here you can add the value, so that you will get 20 plus 3, 23, and 3 and 3 is common factor. So toward our left we got 23 by 3. Now let us check your right hand side, that is 7x by 15 plus 3. Now in place of x you need to write this value of x, that is 10. Now dear student, here it is possible to cancel, that is 5 3s are and 5 2s are. Now 2 7s are 14 by 3. Now here also you have to consider denominator as 1, and LCM of 3 and 1 is 3 only. The 1 should be multiplied by 3 to get 3 over here, same value you have to take in numerator also. Here no need to multiply by 1 because 3 ones are 3 only. So 14 by 3 write down as it is, 3 3s are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Now you can easily add because the denominator are equal, that is 14 by 9 by 3, that is 14 plus 9 gives 23 by 3. See dear student, both the side we got equal. So write down LHS equals to RHS. Now let us say sum number 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 26 by 3 minus y. Now very easy, first step to transposition, that is variable should be on your one side, either on right or left. So here variable 2y, so try to bring this y toward your left hand side. So negative y will become positive y, whatever constant value left toward your right, write down as it is, and try to take this constant value toward your right, so positive will become negative. Right, same, easier, bit easier. So write down transposing negative y to LHS and positive 5 by 3 to RHS. Dear student, by doing such, now you can easily add or subtract whatever is given. 2y plus y gives 3y. Now here already the denominator are same, no need to find the LCM. You can directly do subtraction, that is 26 minus 5 gives 21 by 3. Now dear student, as I want to find the value of this variable, here 3 is there, it is in multiple form. I need to eliminate this 3, so I will divide this 3y by 3. Now and try to reduce this value if it is possible. 3 7s are, write down 7 over here. Now dear student, while dividing this 3 by 3, same value you have to divide toward your right. So same value you have to take toward your right. Now write down over here dividing both the sides by 3. By doing such, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and here value of y, that is 7 by 3. Now I got my value of variable 7 by 3. Now let us check whether both the sides are equal or not. First let us check left hand side. 2y plus 5 by 3. Now here, dear student, I got my value of y 7 by 3. So in place of y, you write down 7 by 3. Now 2 sevens are 14 by 3. Now here also no need to find the LCM. Denominator are common. Directly you can add. That is 14 plus 5 gives 19 by 3. Now toward my left, I got 19 by 3. Now let us see right hand side. 26 by 3 minus 1. 26 by 3 in place of y, write down 7 by 3. Now here also denominator are same, no need to find the LCM. Directly you can subtract, that is 26 minus 7 gives 19. That is 19 by 3. See, dear student, both the sides we got same value, so write down LHS equals to RHS. Let us see sum number 10. Now here also what is given, 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now dear student, if you will transpose this 5m toward your left, so 3 minus 5m you will get negative 2m. Both sides negative, so automatically it is going to become positive only. So what I will do, I will try to write whatever the value toward my right, toward my left, and whatever value toward my left, toward my right. I am not transposing, I am just interchanging. Now it's a bit easier for you to do transposition. Now 5m, now what you will do, transpose this 3m toward your left and transpose this negative 8 by 5 toward your right. So negative will become positive and positive will become negative. What will write over here? Transposing 3m to LHS and negative 8 by 5 to RHS. Now by doing such, now you can easily do subtraction. So 5 minus 3 gives 2m and here 8 by 5. Now as I told you, we need to find the value of this variable, and with variable 2 is there and you need to eliminate this 2 and it is in multiple form. So whatever value is in multiple form, same value you have to take in division form. So same value you have to same 2m you have to divide by 2, so that 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So whatever value I am taking toward my left, same value you have to take toward your right. So I had taken in division form, so same value will come in division form. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Therefore only m left. Now here if cancellation is possible, you can cancellation 2 4s are. Finally value of m, that is value of variable, I got 4 by 5. Now dear student, I need to check my both the side whether they are equal or not. So first let us check LHS, that is 3m, value of m I got 4 by 5. Here cancellation is not possible, just do multiplication. 3 4s are 12 by 5. Now let us see your right hand side, which is 5m minus 8 by 5. Now substitute value of m, that is 4 by 5. So in place of m, write down 4 by 5. Now dear student, either you do cancellation. What I will do, if I do cancellation, so again I need to find LCM. So keep as it is. Why? Because denominator are same. So very simple, you just do multiplication. 4 5s are 20 by 5 and 8 by 5. Now dear student, here now no need to find the LCM. Now you directly do subtraction. Why? Because their denominator are same. 20 minus 8 by 5. 20 minus 8 gives 12 by 5. See dear student, both sides we got same value. 12 by 15, sorry, 12 by 5 and 12 by 5. That means both sides are equal. Write down LHS equals to RHS.